After a Class 8 student, Rouvan committed suicide a few days after he was caned by his school principal, Martiniere, Kolkata has decided to amend its rules with immediate effect. The school has banned corporal punishment. If a teacher puts a child through physical punishment or mental harassment, he or she can be suspended without any notice.
Outrage over Rouvan's suicide, allegedly after he was caned in school, has finally forced Martiniere to amend its decades-old rules. The school board today announced a ban on corporal punishment. This just a day after the HRD minister slammed corporal punishment, describing it as illegal and dangerous. The board said no child will be subject to physical mental harassment, and action for corporal punishment will include suspension, reduced pay or even sacking. The quantum of punishment will be decided on a case-to-case basis.
These penalties may and perhaps will include suspension, withholding of increments with or without cumulative effect, reduction in rank, including reduction to a lower post or lower time scale or to a lower stage in a time scale, removal from service, which may or may not be a disqualification on future employment.
No word on the principal, who apologized for caning Rouvan, but maintained that his suicide had nothing to do with the punishment. A probe team of the National Commission of Protection of Child Rights will submit its report on Saturday, and while it's not clear whether the report holds anyone responsible, sources say there will be a call to repeal an existing clause of the Criminal Code that says anyone who causes death, if having good intentions and implicit or explicit consent, cannot be held as guilty. How it will impact the school or the principal is yet to be seen, but Rouvan's case is likely to spark off a debate in legal circles. With Kajori Sen in New Delhi, Prachi Butcher for NDTV.
Tuba.com